Good evening, sir. I am Colonel Onsin, sir.
Current projects for years, sir.
And then, sir, bypass for Anantnag. So this connects from 244 to 44, sir. This is 8.47, sir. Award is June 21, sir. Completion next year 22, so December 22.
Has the work started on the?
It just started. Just started. So this
What
is
is the PDC?
22, sir. December 22. It will be complete by that, sir.
Plan
Before that. Actually, because
bypass makes a
Now,
difference.
sir, the work front of almost 1
And what I
kilometer.
would like you to do is also
sir,
look at how the various bikes from Sinthan to connected via the bypass into Anantnag is has been taken up. Certain portions of the road are there, and certain portions are green field. Absolutely, like bypass is green field. We are also looking at a tunnel between Velu to join and ensure that this becomes a truly 365 days open road. At the moment, we'll have to open it because of Sinthan Pass. You know the type of snow accumulation that takes place in this area. Time period given for this particular project, not the tunnel, because when the tunnel comes up, we'll work out what the time period would be. But for this, they will do it in 2 years' time, maximum.
sir.
We would like,
Before December 22.
we hope that it is completed by December 22, and it will ease travel on an alternate axis if the main axis gets closed for some reason.
Sir, one question related to Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu and Srinagar highway, the patch between Banihal and Ramban, it remains
See
inconvenient
that
for the
what has
public. So
happened? Wait.
connections been processed?
Between Banihal and Ramban, even slightly ahead of Kod, the way the earlier alignment was and way the type of structure of the mountain is, it is very loose. So every time there is a rain, it comes down. Initially, whatever consultant we had, a technical consultant, he gave certain opinions and ideas, expert opinion, but that hasn't worked out. So that particular consultant, we have also blacklisted him. We have got a new one, and we are starting work afresh. Almost 2,000 crores work is being awarded so that this road can be through as fast as possible. We would like it to be through at least in next 2 years' time.
So, since you have served the army as chief of staff, sir, would you like to react the recent infiltration attempts and today's success achieved by the...
Let's only talk of progress and prosperity that is coming to JNK.
Thank you, sir.